Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and where every forgotten piece of wood has the chance to shine again. And today we are diving deep into one of the most inspiring topics we've ever covered, salvaging aged wood into stunning furniture and decor ideas. A true journey of unearthing beauty, because aged wood is not just timber left behind, it's a living story. A piece of history carrying marks of time, weather, and use that make it one of the richest materials to transform into breathtaking furniture and decor. And as we begin this journey together, I want you to imagine walking through an abandoned farmhouse, or an old workshop, and spotting a beam, a plank, or even a discarded wooden door, worn down, covered in scratches, maybe cracked and faded, but still standing strong, still carrying the whispers of decades or even centuries. And imagine the transformation that can happen when we breathe new life into it, sanding, sealing, reshaping, and finally turning it into a masterpiece that becomes the heart of a home, a dining table where families gather, a shelf that proudly holds memories, or a piece of wall art that brings nature's soul into your living space. And that is the beauty of salvaged wood. It allows us to connect with nature, with history, and with our own creativity in ways that brand new materials never could. Because salvaging aged wood is not about perfection, it's about character. It's about embracing the nail holes, the uneven edges, the knots and cracks that make every piece unique. And here at Kuki Decor, we believe those imperfections are what give furniture and decor their soul. Now, before I share some incredible ideas that will inspire you to look at old wood in a completely new way, let me pause for a moment and remind you, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Kuki Decor family, because we bring you fresh, inspiring, and sustainable decor ideas that help you see the extraordinary beauty hidden in the ordinary. So subscribe now and stay inspired. Now let's continue and dive into the magic of what you can create. Imagine transforming salvaged beams into a grand rustic dining table, where every meal feels like a celebration of history, or repurposing weathered planks into floating shelves that hold books, plants, or decorative treasures, giving your walls warmth and authenticity. Picture taking a few reclaimed boards and designing a headboard for your bed, instantly turning your bedroom into a cozy retreat filled with natural charm. Or how about crafting a coffee table that blends old wood with sleek modern legs, striking the perfect balance between rustic and contemporary. And even if you're not ready for large furniture projects, salvaged wood can be reshaped into smaller, but equally stunning decor items like picture frames, mirror borders, candle holders, or even unique wooden planters that bring the beauty of nature right into your home. Because the possibilities are endless, and each creation carries not just style, but also sustainability, as every salvaged piece you use is one less piece of waste and one less tree cut down, making your decor not only beautiful, but also meaningful. And while many see aged wood as broken or useless, in truth it is resilient, seasoned, and stronger than much of the new timber sold today, which is why craftsmen, designers, and DIY lovers around the world treasure it as one of the best materials to work with. And even if you're just starting, the process of revitalizing aged wood is simpler than you might think. It begins with cleaning, removing dirt, old nails, and dust, then gently sanding to reveal the hidden grain and texture. And depending on the look you want, you can keep the cracks and scars visible for authenticity or fill them for a smoother finish, followed by nourishing the wood with oils or finishes that enhance its natural tones and protect it for years to come. And finally, you let your creativity flow, allowing the wood to guide you into the furniture or decor it was meant to become. And this process is not just about making something new, it's about slowing down, connecting with craftsmanship, and appreciating the quiet art of transformation. Now let's take a moment again for a friendly reminder. If you're enjoying this journey of discovering how salvaged aged wood can turn into stunning furniture and decor, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and tap the notification bell, because we share videos full of creativity, inspiration, and eco-friendly design ideas that will help you transform your living spaces into reflections of beauty and sustainability. And now back to the inspiration. Imagine accent walls covered in reclaimed planks arranged in herringbone, chevron, or mosaic patterns, instantly adding depth and character to a modern home, or mirrors framed with aged wood that bring rustic elegance into bedrooms and hallways, or light fixtures suspended from beams of driftwood that become conversation starters in dining or living areas, and even outside in the garden. Salvaged wood can be turned into raised beds, benches, or decorative planters that blend naturally with the landscape, creating harmony between the outdoors and the handcrafted touch of salvaged materials. And what makes all of this truly powerful is the meaning behind it. Because every salvaged wood piece carries a legacy. Perhaps it once supported a roof that sheltered a family, perhaps it was part of a bridge where people crossed, perhaps it was a fence in a field that held countless memories. And by salvaging and revitalizing it, you honor that story and add your own chapter. Creating not just furniture or decor, but heirlooms filled with soul. And in a world where so much is mass-produced, where disposable culture often overshadows sustainability, choosing salvaged wood is a way of saying no to waste and yes to authenticity. It's a way of building homes that feel grounded, meaningful, and unique. And at Kuki Decor, we celebrate that choice, because beauty is not just about what you see, it's about what you feel, and salvaged wood makes you feel connected to nature, to time, to history, and to creativity. So as we wrap up this inspiring journey of unearthing beauty through salvaging aged wood, I want to leave you with this thought. The next time you see a piece of discarded timber, don't see it as waste, see it as possibility, as a hidden masterpiece waiting for your touch. And I'd love to hear from you. So tell me in the comments below, which salvaged wood idea inspired you the most today. Would you try a rustic dining table, a headboard, floating shelves, or maybe a small decor item like a candle holder or a frame? Share your vision, because your creativity is what keeps this community thriving. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And remember, at Kuki Decor, beauty isn't bought, it's discovered, reclaimed, and brought back to life. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, and keep unearthing the hidden beauty all around you.